everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today we're gonna do like a Disney bound Cruella look. We're going for like kind of a do-it-yourself, budget-friendly Cruella de Vil Halloween costume, outfit, cosplay, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna be definitely more budget-oriented. Use what you have around the house and only get bare essentials. Like, I don't have a Cruella de Vil wig lying around. I don't know about y'all, so I had to go and get one, obviously. And then there's a couple other things, but I have 2 different dress options and a bunch of makeup I'm ready to work with. I've never done this before, so this is the first time, and we'll just see what happens. We're gonna jump right in, but one thing I am excited about, I found these crazy eyelashes that I think would be so fun for like a glam Cruella de Vil. Now, I'm not good at putting on fake eyelashes. You would think I would know what I was doing being a theater kid. I don't know if I'm brave enough. We'll see how everything's going together. Let's get started. But first, I need to get my hair out of my way. Disney bound, that means Minnie Mouse ears to keep my hair out of my face. See what I did there? This is a new thing, so I'm going to introduce it. It's a skin toner face mist. I've been using a lot of the 8 Saints products. No, I'm not sponsored, but I should be. I have been like kind of obsessed with everything. Just gonna do toner today and regular moisturizer. Let's set this thing. What I'm using for powder for this is All Nighter Urban Decay setting powder. I am trying to go for that like 90s white glow. So I'm going in with super white highlight in the live action Cruella, which is really good if you haven't seen it. She's very pale. Kind of bring honor to that by going in with a white highlight. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is super, super shimmery. I'm kind of torn between two lipsticks right now. We have my favorite, which is Urban Decay, and it's bright red, but it's more on the cool side. Now, if I want to go a little bit warmer, there's this L'Oreal Fiery Red. I'm gonna be a little dangerous, and I'm going to put on the warmer red, see how I feel about it, and then if I don't end up liking this, I'll switch it out. Now, let's move on to eyeshadow. Dun, 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 dun. We're bringing back the Zodiac eyeshadow palette because it has all these super colorful colors options. Definitely going with the green. Actually, I did have a bright idea before I get too carried away. I think I'm gonna use this color corrector stick as like a base, and then I just build on top of it with shimmer, sheen, shadow, all that stuff. Okay, so that's doing pretty much exactly what I wanted it to do. Crazy to kind of smooth it. I'm blending up now. If this isn't Disney villains, I don't know what is. Before we get too carried away with eye makeup, I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick. Cruella has white and black hair, so I need my eyebrows to be dark. Luckily, my eyebrows are kind of on the darker side. Okay, very dark eyebrows, very green eyeshadow. Next up, some sparkle. I think we're gonna start with highlight, and I'm gonna use this in the center to do that and just go under the brow. Oh, that's making it like a gold almost. I'm gonna start with the green. I can always do shading with that darker green. I'm kind of liking it. We're gonna keep exaggerating it, going in with that darker green. Whoa, that's a lot of eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so start doing eyeliner and stuff. I'm scared. Okay, not the worst. Can we take a second to appreciate that I went from never putting eyeliner on in makeup videos to now going for a whole wing look. Look how far we've come, you guys. Amazing. Mascara time. Mascara's done. And we get a hello from Mr. Milo. Going in at the bottom lash with white eyeliner. I thought about it. We're going to take a look. I almost don't need all that green on my eyelashes because my eyeshadow is doing a lot of that work. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let's take a gander. Oh my gosh, there's glitter everywhere. Okay, that's actually pretty fun. I think we're gonna do this. Here we go. This is commitment for the video. I'm using Duo eyelash glue. Oh no, I guess we're committing now. Who am I? I don't know her. They're so heavy. Gosh, how do people do this? This is so silly. Oh my gosh, how fun. Round of applause goes out for people that can do this with like no effort. Okay. Look at that. Let's get the wig on. Brought to you by Amazon. Never before seen in person. Here we go. There's the wig. Here is the wig cap. Right now, I'm gonna focus on getting my hair back. We're gonna do a lot of braids. I don't feel like pin curling. It takes forever, but this is a good, quick, easy, get a wig on. Full disclosure, I was very nervous about getting a wig in general. I did a bunch of research. I read a lot of reviews. This one was like the best style that I liked. It's so soft. 10 out of 10. I did not really trust shopping online for something like this, but this is insane. I love it. Here we go. We have the wig, we have the eyelashes. Makeup is done. I need to touch up my lipstick, but I'm gonna go in with Cool Red just to see how we feel. I think this just suits the look we're going for today. Next up, a bunch of accessories, and it's really fun because they're miscellaneous accessories that I didn't have to go out and buy. It's just stuff I've had for years. I got 2 dress options, so let's see what we got. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this makeshift Halloween do-it-yourself costume makeup wig thing that I did. It's definitely meant to be creative and silly, and I had a lot of fun doing it. Pretty much everything I got was at Party City except for the wig, which was Amazon. The dresses I already had, the jewelry I already had, just the gloves, this Dalmation thingy, the eyelashes from Party City. I plan on doing more of these videos if you guys like them, just because I think it's, again, fun, creative ways to do a Halloween costume without having to buy everything for it. Like I said, budget friendly, all that. I did end up showing you what it looked like in a black and a white dress, so to give options. I'm not an expert, and it just goes to show that you don't have to be to do these kinds of things. So with that being said, I hope you stay spooky. Happy October, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. I'll see you next time. I'll see you soon.